अभी ऊपर से फिर मैं कर गई मैं। आई देख रहा आ गई हूँ पूरा मुंह को लगा दे के
अस्सलाम वालेकुम girls.
वालेकुम सलाम मैम।
I hope you all are good.
Yes ma'am.
So in yesterday's class, we were studying about the requirements of effective control. That is nothing but a good control. So we were on page number 19.7 yesterday. So in yesterday's class, we have seen up to the point number 4, right? So today we are going to study from the point number 5. Okay. So now I will use the white screen. So today the page number is 19.8. Okay. Just take out page number 19.8. Okay. And the point number 5 we are going to study today, that is forward looking. Okay. What do you mean by the term forward looking? Yes.
To forwarding something.
Here forward looking means that we are not going to think about the past, we are not going to think about the present, but we are going to focus on the future.
future.
Yes. Thinking or else looking for the future. In an organization, whenever we do the planning, we are going to do the plan for our future. Okay. For the past, we cannot do the planning. Always the planning is done for the future. And here the objectives, the long-term objectives of the organization will be set. Okay. The objectives only for one day it is not set. Only for 1 month it is not set. But for in the long run, there will be organization. The whole organizational objectives will be there to maximize the profits, to increase the production, to growth. There should be a growth to expand the organization. There will we want to diversify our organization, right? So the long term objective of the organization is to expand its business. हर कोई अपना business को आगे बढ़ाना चाहता, कोई भी अपने business को बंद करना हरगिज नहीं चाहता. What they want to increase their productivity, they want to increase their business, right? सिर्फ एक कंपनी या एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होने की बजाय आप चाहेंगे कि आपके बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस हो डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में या फिर एक ही स्टेट में बहुत सारे प्लेसेस पे. So everyone wants to develop their business, right? So here control under that This one, forward looking. Forward looking means here looking for the future. We are going to come up with certain plans for the future. So what has already happened, पहले क्या हुआ वहां पे अपन कुछ नहीं कर सकते, जो हो गया past, we cannot change our past, right? But for the future you can take an action, you can just bring the changes in your future. आप अपना future को secure कर सकते. Okay, if suppose if you all might have your first years, right? So when you are talking about insurance, I will tell you about insurance. In insurance what will happen, why we are going for insurance, क्यों जाते हैं इंश्योरेंस, लाइफ को सिक्योर करने के लिए. हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ले लो आप लोग, यह तो बहुत सारे लोग हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लेते, ठीक है. Okay, so if a person is going to face any health issue in future, at that time, if a person got diabetics or else if there is a major accident, तो accident बहुत बड़ा हो गया तो उसमें क्या है, खर्चा ज्यादा आता. The person may not have that sufficient capital at that time, ज्यादा पैसा नहीं हो सकता. So at that time this insurance will cover all those expenses. आपको जितना भी खर्चा आएगा वो insurance company is going to bear all those expenses. So चाहे वो 1 लाख हो, 2 लाख हो या 3 लाख हो, तो first of all you are going to pay a premium. Okay, premium means a small amount you are going to pay to the company, insurance company. Later on they will help you to come up with that insure with that accident. So here forward looking means the controlling is always forward looking. अपन control कौन सी situation को देख के, planning किस लिए कर रहे हैं अपन, future के लिए. Planning is, it is a continuous process. ओके, जब आप प्लानिंग कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस के लिए कर रहे हैं, इट इज नेवर एंडिंग, हमेशा प्लानिंग कंटिन्यू ही रहती है. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप, प्लानिंग इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप. सो हियर द controlling in future what will happen, you have to be ready. Like our management thought that as last year what happened, all of a sudden lockdown was announced, we have to sit at home. So what about the classes, how we are going to continue our educational classes? So they have come up with so many things that the online classes should be conducted on Mimber, the online classes should be conducted on Zoom. So WhatsApp is not a medium through which we can conduct the class, right? If I put one image and I am just going to send my voice note, it will not be fruitful, right? So
Yes.
I may not
Yes,
able
ma'am.
to figure out how many of you are listening to my voice note, how many of you are following it. So we cannot figure out. So we have come up with so many apps are there nowadays to conduct the online classes by sitting at your home in your comfort zone. You can easily attend the classes. Okay. सो दिस इज द फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग, मीन्स फ्यूचर में क्या हो सकता है उसके लिए आप अपने पहले से जो सर एक कंट्रोल टेक्निक डेवलप कर रहे हैं एंड यू आर गोइंग टू फॉलो दैट. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट द फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग. आगे फ्यूचर का सोचना है अपने को कि फ्यूचर में क्या प्रॉब्लम अराइज हो सकती है एंड उसी के अकॉर्डिंगली वी आर गोइंग टू कम विद ए कंट्रोल स्टेप. क्लियर अप टू हियर फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग?
Yes, Yes, ma'am. ma'am.
So when we do this forward looking, at that time there are more chances that we can get the results. Okay, for why we are going to control the situation, there should not be any loss and we can achieve the result, we can achieve the goals. Clear up to here? Now
Yes.
our next point is, thank you girls, our next point is must be flexible. So what do you mean by the term flexible? Flexible क्या होता है?
Changeable.
Changeable.
Easily be
It can be
changeable.
modified.
Yes, it can be modified according to the environment, according to the situation. आप जो है सो changes कर सकते. So our control technique, अपन planning को भी flexible रहना बोले, right? So our
Yes.
planning should be flexible. Beside that, here when we are studying about controlling, so whatever the step, the technique you are following to control the situation, that should also be flexible. Okay, it should be easily to change according to the needs. So according to the future, we have to make the changes. Why? Because our future is uncertain. अपने को मालूम था क्या ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ऐसा लॉकडाउन होएगा, अपन घर में बैठ के पढ़ेंगे? नहीं सोचे थे ना?
No.
Yes, so our future is uncertain. We cannot predict our future. So here, when we are going to devise, whenever we are going to set a control, it will be for a future. It will be for the present. Present situation जो है उसको analyze करके अपन क्या है future के लिए control technique, एक control method लेते. लेकिन here it is not compulsory that that method, that technique will be adequate in future. Means here it is that technique can be fully utilized in the future. If suppose if an organization is not following this flexible concept, they are going to follow that rigid concept. Rigid means which is not going to change. Hamesha same raheta. Okay. So in that case, what will happen? Yes, girls?
They may
We
suffer loss.
cannot control the situation easily.
They may not control the situation. They may face a
Loss.
loss. Suppose I will take the example of production. Okay, production का अपन example लेंगे. Here we are going to do the production of anything you can take. I will take chocolates. Okay, we are manufacturing chocolates. Dairy milk, any chocolate, whatever you like, you can take. Snickers, Dairy milk, Kit Kat. Okay, so how we are going to manufacture it? On what basis? On the
Customer's
demand.
choice.
Customer's demand.
Yes, customers' choice, taste, preferences we are going to consider. Beside that, how much is the demand into the market? All of a sudden, you cannot manufacture lump sum amount in lump sum quantity, right? हद से ज्यादा आप मैन्युफैक्चर भी नहीं कर सकते. मार्केट में कितनी डिमांड है, कौन सी एरिया में कितनी डिमांड है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आप जो है फर्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू एनालाइज इट, देन यू आर गोइंग टू मैन्युफैक्चर इट, राइट? So here our controlling should be flexible, means according to the needs we are going to do that work. So here I will take the example of here only we will take the examples like Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Cyberabad. Okay. So in Hyderabad the quantity required is 1 lakh, whereas in Secunderabad it is 1.5 lakhs. And when it comes to Cyberabad, it is 80,000. Okay. So here, when a company is manufacturing, on the basis of areas, they have to supply the product. And when they put it all together, 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, then comes 80,000. So accordingly, they have to do the production. Here, there should not be the production should not decline here. Accordingly, they have to produce the quantity. Okay. So and they have to supply it. If in case it will be overall 16,80,000. So if in case they are not producing instead of 16,80,000, अगर वो लोग produce कर रहे हैं 15 lakh only, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? The firm will face a loss. Okay. जब आप जो है सो सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग जो नीड्स है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप प्रोडक्शन नहीं कर रहे, देन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज गोइंग टू फेस अ लॉस. So here first thing is that we must study the market conditions and accordingly we have to do the production. And in case the demand is more, means you are expecting that there is a more demand into the market and you have produced less product. Okay. or else you have not set your budget. In that case, here the budget will get increased. So according to the need, according if the sales is getting double, then the expenditure will also increase here. Whatever the raw material, the things you require to manufacture that product, that will also get increased. So here we must be ready, and we must first study the situation, and we have to be flexible. We cannot say no, I cannot make any changes in an organization. Here the control technique, the control method should be flexible. Okay, clear this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Some of you are joining the session late. So the seventh point is economical. So what do you mean by the term economical? Economical होता क्या? Economical means it should be budget friendly. Means आपके budget में होना चाहिए, right? So when we are talking about the controlling organization, so there can be small organizations and also the large, bigger organizations, right? एक कंपनी छोटे लेवल पे भी वर्क कर सकती है, एक कंपनी बड़े लेवल पे भी वर्क कर सकती है, राइट? So these small concerns, they may have a limited capital, they cannot afford everything. जब आप कंट्रोल टेक्निक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो हर टेक्निक, हर मेथड को अडॉप्ट करने के लिए आपको उसके लिए पैसा भी लगता है, राइट? तो जो स्मॉल कंसर्न्स है, वो बड़े बड़े जो टेक्निक्स जो एक्सपेंसिव है, दे उसको अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, राइट? But whereas the big enterprises, the large businesses, they can afford everything. क्योंकि उनके पास पैसा है, they can do anything, right? They can afford any technique, any method. So our control technique, it should be economical. It should be economical means it should suit our business. आपका जो टाइप का बिजनेस है, either it is a large enterprise or else it is a small enterprise. So according to the size of your business, the control technique should be suitable to you. So ये आपके लिए बजट फ्रेंडली होने के अलावा it should be able to achieve the results of the organization. So this control technique must help us to achieve the organizational needs, to achieve the organizational goals. Okay. So when we are talking about the control, there will be cost involved in it. So there will be expenses. So these expenses we cannot ignore it. We have to focus on the expenses whenever we are taking any control technique, control method. The expenses will be involved in that. So here, when we are talking about a control method in which there will be certain expenditure. So when we are doing that expenditure on that control, means आप कुछ खर्चे कर रहे हैं situation control करने के लिए. In that case, you want the output. You want what? Result. We have to derive the utility from it. So when you have controlled the situation, you have involved so much of expenses in this to control the situation. Right now, I can take the example here. Falaknuma Bridge is there, which is under construction. Those who go from this side, they might be familiar with it. Okay, and I think you all know it is in news also. So what happened? The bridge was about to fall. Right now, what they are doing? Now they are constructing that bridge, which is the road is closed now. So here, what they are doing, their major objective is that the bridge should be fit now. It should be a new bridge they are going to build over there, and it should carry the heavy weight. It should not break again. Their major objective is so. When they have seen that the bridge is about to fall, तो completely नहीं टूटा था वो. There was one pit over there. So here, when it was about to
Yes.
fall, in that case, they have taken a major step that now we will reconstruct this bridge. अब फिर से इस bridge को अपन बनाएंगे. So this control method they have come up with. तो जब यहाँ पे ब्रिज को बनाया जा रहा, there are using n number of things here, right? The labor is there, the machinery is there, and there will be cement, gypsum, everything concrete they are going to use. So the machineries also they are going to use. So that these are the things, the efforts they are putting over there, and might be they have made one plan, a blueprint. You know what is blueprint means, the structure के layout कैसा होगा ये bridge का.
Yes.
So here, when they are done with this, first they will think about the budget कि कितने budget में ये bridge बनेंगे, and what will be the duration. It will be around 6 months to 8 months, like that. Okay. So when they are constructing it, after that they will do one inspection. Then later on, again, if that bridge falls, what is that? It is a loss. Means when we have done the expenditure, we are unable to derive the utility. कि आप जो major objective से bridge को establish करेंगे, it will be a strong bridge now, it will not break again. तो अगर वो टूट रहा है, in that case you are unable to achieve your result over. So in this case here, whatever the control technique, the control method we are going to adopt, it should be economical. So here we can able to afford the small concerns, the small organization must able to afford the control techniques. But the big enterprises, they can adopt anything, they can spend more क्योंकि उनके पास ज्यादा पैसा रहता. The expensive techniques they can adopt. But when we are talking about the organization will think about the budget friendly and effective techniques. Effective techniques here means that which is going to give us good results for our organization. With the technique we are able to achieve our objectives. So a control technique should be budget friendly, it should be economical. Clear up to here? So
Yes,
a
ma'am.
technique should not give us adverse effects. So what do you mean? What do you mean by adverse effects?
Bad effects
Yes, bad effects or else
or
loss. आप
loss.
control भी कर रहे हैं situation को, आपको फिर भी loss हो रहा है, means you are following a wrong technique. Okay? So when though it is going to involve the expenses, आप कौन सी भी टेक्निक लीजिए, आपको वहां पे खर्चा जरूर आएगा. लेकिन in that case, if you are able to achieve your result, if it is result oriented, then that technique is good for your business. Clear up to here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If you see your textbook, that is point number 8 is mentioned, must report deviations quickly. In yesterday's class, this was the same point number 3. It was point number 3 that we have studied yesterday. I think there is a printing problem here, that they have again repeated the same point. Okay. So we will go for that last point, that is 9th point, motivating.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you mean by motivating?
Encouraging.
Encouraging.
Yes. किसी को बढ़ावा देना, किसी को encourage करना. Why? Because when you motivate someone, it will give a positive reaction, a positive sense. They will feel enthusiastic, interested to do that work. Okay.
Yes.
So here also in an organization, whatever the control technique, the control method we are taking, it should help us to do the motivation for the controller and also for the situation which is getting controlled. So how we can do this? Whenever we are talking about a control technique, a technique we are going to adopt. So in an organization, whenever we want our employees to do the work, in that case we should not threat our employees कि उनको डराना या धमकी देना नहीं है तब कि आप ये वर्क करो नहीं तो आपके साथ ये बुरा हो सकता है. We cannot say like this to them. They will feel threatened over there. अपने को क्या करना है, उनको improve करना है. Means we are going to encourage them. So we are going to devise one technique. We are going to adopt a technique which is going to encourage the employees. Beside that, if they are not performing good, we are going to improve the performance of those employees. Okay, I said I will conduct one test to you people, a grand test, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
beside that, I told you all that if those students who are going to be absent on the test, you have to write that answers 10 times. That is your imposition, I told you. So what was
Yes.
my major objective? Either
To
I
make us
should
learn
not,
the answers.
yes, you have to learn the answer.
Preparing for
Whatever
exam.
you are learning, if you are capable of answering only 2 questions, at least you can write that. So when you write one test, there you will understand that what is wrong when you are writing the test, where you are going wrong, and what improvements you can do in yourself. When any faculty or madam or sir, if they gives you your test papers, there you will see first thing is that how much marks I have scored, right girls?
Yes.
Then you will realize that whatever you have written, the marks which you get is really very less. You will think that I have performed well. Even after performing well, the teacher has not given the marks to you. Then you will recheck your answers, that where the marks have been decreased. Okay.
Yes.
So if the correction is done wrong or else less marks have been given to you, then you will ask the teacher to increase the marks. You will show all those points where you should get the complete marks. So if in case you have not performed well, okay, and you got less marks, there you will realize that you should bring the improvements, right? You will
Yes.
think that if this is my performance in the final exams, I may get fail marks. I may get failed. So you will try to improve your performance. So in an organization, a control technique is should not be meant to punish the employees. अपने को अपने employees को punish नहीं करना है, but it should be helpful to us to improve the performance of our employees. They will feel motivated in our organization to work. They will feel enthusiastic. They will feel interesting, and they will increase their performance. They will improve their performance. So that is why this motivating factor, this a control technique should help them. हमेशा पनिश करना किसी का ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं होना चाहिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. क्लियर अप टू हियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this requirements of effective control?
No, No. ma'am.
No.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So girls, on Wednesday, we all were writing notes. I think it was with Nazmin class, room number 304 students. I have given notes to you people, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It was about types of controls. So tomorrow I will upload the images here. You can note it down, and beside that, I will give the explanation for that. And even in the WhatsApp also, I will try to send. Okay, I don't have for the Google class, I don't have that link, so I cannot send over there. In the WhatsApp only, it will be around one image or else two images will be there, which I will
Ma'am, it's
forward
not
to
there in
you.
syllabus.
Okay,
It is
ma'am.
not there in your textbook, girls. That's why I asked you people to note it down in your notes. Okay, even importance of coordination, right? Even that also I have to give to you people. I have explained already. Explanation is done in the class.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So from Monday onwards, we will go for the revision. We are done with the revision of unit number 1 in the class. So unit
Yes.
number 2, that is joint stock companies, we will go for that. And inshallah, on Monday, you will get all the important questions from unit number 1 to unit number 5. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So now I am going to take your attendance. So first I will start with Malakpet general students. Okay, girls. Uh, so whoever, whichever branch name and section I am asking, you just raise your hand. Okay. Right now, Malakpet generals can raise their hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is Imroz, Asima, Maria, then Fatima, Afrin Fatima, Shirin Malkan, Habiba Fatima, right?
Yes,
Seven
ma'am.
students are from Malakpet General. Okay, thank you, girls. You can put your hands down. Now, Malakpet Computers, could you please raise your hand? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 students. So I'm just calling the names, just check once. Shafia, Sidra, Sadia, Sumaya, Hafsa, Yasmin, Sayyida, the complete name is, I cannot say the complete name. Namira, Aisha, Mahin, Lubna, Sayyida Amina, Juweria Rahim, Nabila Fatima. So just you can put your hands down. Thank you, Malakpet Computers. Now, Shalibanda Computers, just raise your hand. So I'm just calling your names.
Ma'am, Malakpet then two.
From Malakpet.
General.
Okay, thank you. So Shalibanda Computers, I'm just calling your name. It is Sana Fatima, Umme Salma, Sania Begum, Sanufa, Sayyida Amtul, Sara, Nazmeen, Uzma Fatima, Amreen Begum, Azima, Shagufta, Sidra, Nasima, Ismatunnisa, Mariam binte Abdullah, something, Saleha Amir, Mahin Nas, Samira Fatima, Sayyida Gulafsha, Amatul, Adiba, Nureen, Umme Hani, Sumaya Khanam, Namira Khudusi, Nada Fahim, Mohammadi Begum, Sabah Afzal, Uzma Fatima, Uzma Zubeda, Neha Begum, Sayyida Khamar, Umme Hani, Nada, there are two Nada, Noora Fatima, Maria Khatun, Afrin Begum.
Ma'am, I am also.
Samreen, you are from Chalibanda. Okay. Why you are not getting that hand raise
Yes,
option?
ma'am.
So Shalibanda students, you can put your hands down. So one student from Malapet, she texted me, that is Sultana Anam, and Sambin from Shalibanda. Okay.
Lower the hands. First option.
Fariha Taskin, you wants to join now.
Ma'am,
Yes. Why you people are joining late? Fariha Taskin, where are you? You belongs to which branch? See girls, here in these classes, we are having only 40 minutes. सिर्फ 40 मिनट की तरह से आप लोग Zoom पे, ओके? तो आप coordination
Yes,
syllabus,
ma'am.
even in this subject I have to complete one topic. लेकिन मलकपेट पे तो पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो गया. तो अब ये जो टाइम है आप लोगों को सिर्फ रिवीजन टाइम है गर्ल्स. जस्ट यूटिलाइज दिस. यू कैन आंसर क्वेश्चंस. आप लोग घर पे पढ़ो पहले, ठीक है? डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. आप ये मत सोचो कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हुए तो एग्जाम नहीं होता. ऐसा हरगिज नहीं है. ऐसा सोचने वाले कितने की थे, आज उल्ला भी एग्जाम लिखती. सो डोंट डेवलप दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंकिंग गर्ल्स. आप लोग अच्छे से स्टडी करो. अगर कुछ भी डाउट है फैकल्टी को, आप ऑनलाइन क्लास में पूछ सकते. कोई भी फैकल्टी आपको गुस्सा हरगिज नहीं करते. प्रॉब्लम cannot install new app. So you just study well and you can ask the questions to me. I will clarify your doubt and
ma'am,
you will. And most of you are not attending the classes from Shalivan डिस्टेंसिंग. बैठ के तो आप लोग आराम से अटेंड कर सकते हैं ना. अब कभी भी शायद ये मीटिंग एंड हो सकती है. वाई बिकॉज इट इज अबाउट टू 40 मिनट्स कैसे भी खत्म हो रहे हैं. So here I'm following Shalibanda timetable, that is 9:45 to 10:30. Our time is that. Okay. So Malakpet students में शायद 10 to 10:45 है, right? So 15 minutes if people can adjust. Okay. Saida Sultana, right now you came. You are just raising your hand now. Imroz Fatima Malakpet, yes, I have taken your
no
attendance.
ma'am.
Yes.
क्लास शुरू हुए जब से 6 हम क्लास में.
कौन सईदा सुल्ताना?
Yes, ma'am.